Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might sound a little strange at first, but it's revolutionizing the way we think about our health. We're talking about your gut and why scientists are now calling it your second brain. Have you ever felt butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous? Or had a gut feeling about something? These aren't just old sayings. They're real-life examples of a powerful and complex connection between your digestive system and your brain. This connection is known as the gut-brain axis, a constant, two-way communication highway that influences everything from your mood to your immune system. So, how does this all work? Well, your gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, bacteria, viruses, fungi, collectively known as the gut microbiome. Think of it as a bustling city living inside you. For a long time, we thought their only job was to help us digest food. But recent science has shown that this microbial community is doing so much more. They are tiny chemical factories, producing hundreds of neuroactive substances that your brain uses to regulate its processes. Let's talk about one of the most famous ones, serotonin. You've probably heard of serotonin as the happy chemical, right? It plays a huge role in mood, sleep, and overall feelings of well-being. But here is the mind-blowing part. It is estimated that around 95% of your body as serotonin is produced in your gut, not your brain. These gut microbes are essential for its production. So, if your gut microbiome is out of balance, your serotonin production can be affected, which can directly impact your mental health, leading to feelings of anxiety or depression. It's a direct line from your stomach to your state of mind. And it's not just serotonin. Your gut bacteria also produce other crucial neurotransmitters like dopamine, which is linked to reward and motivation, and GABA, which helps calm the nervous system. When the communication along the gut-brain axis is running smoothly, your brain gets a steady supply of these essential chemicals, helping you feel balanced and resilient. But when the gut microbiome is disrupted, a state called dysbiosis, this communication can break down. What causes this disruption? A lot of it comes down to our modern lifestyle. A diet high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can feed the bad bacteria, allowing them to outnumber the good ones. Stress is another major factor. When you're chronically stressed, your body releases cortisol, which can negatively impact the gut lining and the balance of your microbiome. Lack of sleep and overuse of antibiotics can also throw this delicate ecosystem into chaos. This is where the holistic approach to health becomes so important. Instead of just treating symptoms like anxiety with medication alone, we start to look at the body as an interconnected system. We ask, what is the root cause? And very often, the clues lead us back to the gut. This idea isn't actually new. Hippocrates, the father of modern medicine, said over 2,000 years ago that all disease begins in the gut. It seems he was way ahead of his time. Today, we're seeing this principle validated by countless studies. An unhealthy gut has been linked to a wide range of issues beyond just digestive problems. We're talking about autoimmune conditions, skin problems like eczema, and even neurodegenerative diseases. It's because a disrupted gut can lead to something called leaky gut, where the intestinal lining becomes more permeable. This allows undigested food particles and toxins to enter the bloodstream, triggering a widespread inflammatory response throughout the body, including the brain. This chronic, low-grade inflammation is now seen as a key driver of many modern diseases. So, the big question is, what can we do about it? How can we nurture our second brain and keep our gut microbiome happy and healthy? The good news is, you have a tremendous amount of control. It starts with what you put on your plate. A diet rich in a diverse range of plant-based foods is your best bet. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds. These are packed with fiber, which is the preferred food for your beneficial gut bacteria. When they feast on fiber, they produce amazing compounds called short-chain fatty acids like butyrate. Butyrate is a superstar. It's the primary energy source for the cells lining your colon. It strengthens the gut barrier, and it has powerful anti-inflammatory effects that benefit the entire body, including the brain. Diversity is key. Aim to eat a wide variety of different plant foods each week. Each type of plant feeds different types of good bacteria, so the more variety you have in your diet, the more diverse and resilient your microbiome will be. Think of it like planting a variety of flowers to attract different kinds of bees and butterflies to your garden. You want a thriving, diverse ecosystem in your gut. Next up, let's talk about probiotics and prebiotics. You've probably seen these words on yogurt containers. Probiotics are the live, beneficial bacteria themselves. You can find them in fermented foods like yogurt with live cultures, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, and kombucha. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help replenish the good guys in your gut. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are the food for these good bacteria. We already mentioned fiber, which is the main type of prebiotic. Other great sources include garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas. So, you want to both introduce good bacteria with probiotics and feed them well with prebiotics. Beyond diet, managing stress is absolutely crucial for gut health. Remember that gut-brain axis is a two-way street. Stress affects your gut, and an unhealthy gut can make you feel more stressed. It's a vicious cycle. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is non-negotiable. This could be anything from meditation, deep breathing exercises, and yoga to spending time in nature, listening to music, or just making time for hobbies you love. Regular physical activity is also fantastic. It's been shown to reduce stress, improve sleep, and even increase the diversity of your gut microbiome. You don't have to run a marathon. Even a brisk daily walk can make a huge difference. And of course, getting enough quality sleep is vital. During sleep, your body goes into repair mode, and that includes your gut. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep each night to give your gut-brain axis the downtime it needs to function optimally. It is truly empowering to know that simple lifestyle changes can have such a profound impact on both our physical and mental health. By taking care of our gut, we're not just improving digestion, we're nourishing our brain, balancing our mood, and building a foundation for long-term wellness. We're treating our body as the intelligent, interconnected system that it is. If you're struggling with mood issues, anxiety, or just a general feeling of being unwell, it might be time to look at your gut health. Remember, if you are experiencing significant mental health challenges, it's always important to reach out to a healthcare professional or a mental health expert. They can provide the support and guidance you need. Taking care of your gut can be a powerful complementary approach to your overall wellness plan. So, start today. Maybe add a side of sauerkraut to your lunch, go for a walk after dinner, or try a 5-minute breathing exercise before bed. Small, consistent steps can lead to big changes. You have the power to cultivate your inner garden, and in doing so, transform your health from the inside out. Thank you so much for joining me today to explore the fascinating world of the gut microbiome. I hope this has given you some valuable insights and practical tips. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future content. I'd love to hear from you in the comments what's one thing you're going to do this week to support your second brain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.